Comet Adventures, discovering shooting stars from space. Comets are like space's special visitors that make our sky sparkle. Let's learn about these cool space rocks. 1. Comet look. Comets look like shiny balls with a long tail, like a kite flying in the sky. 2. Ice and dust. Comets are made of icy stuff, like frozen water, and dusty stuff, like tiny sand grains. They come from far away, where it's really cold. 3. Space travelers. Comets move around the sun in big loops. Some visit often, while others come by once in a while, like surprise guests. 4. Telltales. When comets get close to the sun, they melt a little and release gas and dust. This makes a long, glowing tail that follows them through space. 5. Nighttime magic. People love watching comets because they're so pretty. Comets are like shiny presents in the dark sky, making us wonder about the big space around us. Comets are like magical gifts from God, making our sky twinkle with joy. Let's keep looking up and dreaming about the awesome world of comets.